If you're wondering which action cameras are worth your money, stick around. After we run through each product, I'll give you my personal take. Would I buy it or would I skip it? No fluff, just my honest opinion. Let's get into it. GoPro Hero 13 Black. This camera is a game changer with its next-gen 1 to 1.3 inches sensor that captures crystal clear images rivaling pro cameras. The dual OLED high brightness touchscreens allow you to preview the 10-bit D-Lock-M footage with color recovery, ensuring top quality raw footage at a glance. With subject tracking, it intelligently detects the subject's position and dynamically adjusts the composition, keeping the subject centered in every frame. The battery life is impressive, delivering up to 4 hours of continuous use, which is 50% more operating time compared to its predecessors. Would I buy it? Yes. The GoPro Hero 13 Black's advanced features and improved battery life make it a top choice for action camera enthusiasts looking for professional quality footage. Akaso Brave 8 Lite. This camera offers decent video quality and stabilization, making it a solid budget-friendly option for beginners. While it may not match the performance of high-end models, it provides good value for its price point. The camera's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and start shooting quickly. However, it lacks some of the advanced features found in more expensive action cameras. Would I buy it? Maybe. The Akaso Brave 8 Lite is a good entry-level option for those on a budget, but more serious users might want to consider investing in a higher-end model. DJI Osmo Action 5. The Osmo Action 5 Pro boasts a 47GB built-in storage, which is a significant upgrade from previous models. Its color temperature sensor and 4nm high-performance chip ensures vibrant imagery with 2.4 pm pixels and 13.5 stops of dynamic range. The camera supports Wi-Fi 6.0 and USB 3.0 for high-speed transfer, making it convenient for quick file sharing. It also features a professional air pressure gauge and water pressure gauge, which are great additions for underwater shooting. Would I buy it? Yes. The DJI Osmo Action 5's advanced features and impressive storage capacity make it a strong contender in the action camera market. GoPro Max. While the Max offers 360-degree video capabilities, its limited 2D shooting modes are a significant drawback compared to single-lens action cameras. The camera's stabilization is impressive with hyper-smooth digital stabilization and horizon leveling. However, it's limited to 24 or 30 FPS when using both lenses, which may not be ideal for capturing fast motion or slow motion playback. The Max does offer decent 16 feet or 5 meter water resistance and an inbuilt retractable mounting fingers, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. Would I buy it? No. Despite its 360-degree capabilities, the GoPro Max's limitations in 2D shooting and frame rates make it less versatile than other action cameras for most users. Olympus Tough TG7. This camera feels like a blast from the past with its 12-megapixel 1 to 2.3 inch sensor and 25 to 100mm equivalent lens, which are pretty outdated specs for 2024. While it's waterproof to 15 meters and can handle some rough treatments, the image quality leaves a lot to be desired, especially in low light conditions. The lack of a touchscreen is a real bummer and the menu system feels clunky and outdated. Would I buy it? No, because there are better options available with more modern features and superior image quality for the price. V4K Plus. This little camera packs a punch with its ability to shoot 4K at 60 FPS, matching the capabilities of higher-end GoPros. The touchscreen on the back is a nice touch, making it easy to navigate settings and review footage. However, the battery life is pretty disappointing, lasting less than 2 hours, which can be a real pain during longer shoots. Would I buy it? No, because while it offers good value, there are newer models with better features and longer battery life available now. Insta360 X4. This camera is a game changer with its ability to shoot 8K 360-degree footage that can be reframed into crisp 4K videos. The selfie stick disappearing act is mind-blowing, making it look like you have a personal camera crew. The larger 2.5-inch screen is a welcome upgrade, making it easier to frame shots and review footage on the go. Would I buy it? Yes, because it's a versatile tool that's perfect for solo content creators and offers unparalleled creative possibilities. Insta360 Ace Pro. This camera boasts some impressive specs, including 8K video at 24 FPS and 48 megapixel stills. The Leica Code-developed lens promises superior image quality, but in practice, it doesn't quite live up to the hype. While the stabilization is solid and the face detection works well, the internal audio and battery life are disappointing, especially considering the price. Would I buy it? Maybe. Because while it has some great features, the high price and underwhelming performance in key areas make it a top sell compared to some competitors. Akaso V50X. This budget-friendly action cam packs a punch with real 4K 30 video and impressive stabilization that rivals more expensive models. The build quality is solid and the bright screen with plenty of buttons makes it easy to use. While the 4K footage is detailed and the night video is great, The 1080p, 60 and 2K modes lack some detail. The microphone is a bit of a letdown, being too quiet and muffled, which might be a deal breaker for vloggers. Would I buy it? Yes. For under $100, it's a great starter cam with excellent 4K video and stabilization, perfect for those who prioritize video quality over audio. Insta360 One RS. This modular action camera offers versatility with swappable lenses, including a 360-degree option. The video quality is sharp and colorful, with effective motion stabilization that keeps action smooth. However, the small screen can be tricky to navigate, and the camera tends to overheat during extended recording sessions. Battery life is comparable to the GoPro Hero 10, lasting about 65 minutes when recording 5.3K at 30 FPS. Would I buy it? No. While it's innovative, the overheating issues and small screen make it less practical for extended use compared to other options on the market. Insta360 Go 3S. This tiny powerhouse now shoots in stunning 4K, addressing one of the main criticisms of its predecessor. The waterproofing has been improved, allowing it to go deeper underwater without additional housing. New shooting modes and improved accessories make it even more versatile for capturing unique perspectives. However, the battery life is shorter when shooting in 4K, and the camera unit can get warm quickly. Would I buy it? Yes. The Go 3S's compact size, 4K capability, and innovative mounting option make it a standout choice for those who prioritize portability and creativity in their action shots. DJI Action 2. This action cam reimagines the form factor with a unique modular design and magnetic mounting system. The video quality is impressive, rivaling the GoPro Hero 10 Black in 4K frame rate options and stabilization. However, it suffers from extreme overheating issues and underwhelming battery life, which can interrupt your recording. The magnetic mounting system, while innovative, may not be secure enough for intense water sports. Would I buy it? Yes. Despite its flaws, the Action 2's incredibly portable design and excellent video quality make it a compelling choice for those who prioritize compactness and are willing to work around the battery and heat issues. Insta360 X3. This camera offers impressive 360-degree video capabilities, shooting at 5.7K resolution, but the quality can be disappointing when viewed on larger screens. The new 2.29-inch touchscreen is a significant upgrade, making it more user-friendly than its predecessor. While it's great for reframing footage and capturing unique perspectives, the battery life and export times can be frustrating. The X3 is now my go-to travel camera, allowing me to enjoy my trips without constantly worrying about framing shots. Would I buy it? Maybe. It's a versatile camera with some unique features, but the video quality and processing times might be deal breakers for some users. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The action camera is a powerhouse, offering impressive 5.3K 60 and 4K 120 video options thanks to its new GP2 processor. The improved usability, the snappier menus, and better touch controls make it a joy to use in the field. Hyper-smooth stabilization continues to impress, now working even during live streaming. While battery life remains a concern, especially with high frame rate modes, the overall performance is top-notch. Would I buy it? Yes. The Hero 10 Black offers the best blend of image quality, features, and usability in the action camera market, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and professionals. Akaso Brave 4 Elite. This budget-friendly action camera boasts 4K 60 FPS video recording and 20 megapixel photos, which sounds impressive on paper. However, the video quality doesn't quite live up to the specs, especially when compared to higher-end models. The built-in 64GB storage is convenient, but the lack of support for external memory cards can be limiting for some users. While it comes with a variety of accessories, the overall build quality and performance leaves something to be desired. Would I buy it? No. Despite its attractive price point, the Akaso Brave 4 Elite falls short in terms of video quality and features compared to more established brands in the action camera market. Aaso EK7000 Pro. This budget action camera offers decent 4K 30fps video, but I found the Full HD 60fps mode to be more usable for smoother footage. The electronic image stabilization helps somewhat, but I encountered a bizarre buzzing noise issue when it was enabled. Despite its limitations, the EK7000 Pro provides good value for money, including a variety of mounting accessories in the box. The 20 megapixel stills are acceptable for social media use, but don't expect professional level quality. Would I buy it? Yes. If you are on a tight budget and need a basic action camera for casual use, the Aaso EK7000 Pro offers a decent feature set and performance for its price point. GoPro Hero 9. The Hero 9 Black boasts a 20 megapixel sensor and can shoot 5K video, which is a significant upgrade from its predecessors. Its front-facing color display is a game changer for vloggers, making it easier to frame yourself in shots. However, the touchscreen can be frustratingly unresponsive at times, and the camera tends to overheat during extended use. While it offers impressive features like Hypersmooth 3.0 stabilization and improved battery life, the improvements over the Hero 8 Black might not justify the upgrade for everyone. Would I buy it? No. Despite its impressive specs, the Hero 9's issue with touchscreen responsiveness and overheating make it hard to recommend, especially considering there are newer models available that may have addressed these problems. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you pick the action cameras for you. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Links to all of these products mentioned in this video will be in the description. Alright, peace out.